Okay, to use ESRI to map a tapestry segmentation, your best bet is to actually start from the tapestry segmentation descriptions. So that's linked on your course guide here. And so we're going to take a look at this, and this is a proprietary market segmentation scheme designed by life modes and geographic areas. So they're just sort of briefly described, and so you can look through these life modes and see which ones you think might be in alignment with the turn 5 target customer. But I'm going to sort of cheat by just doing a control F5 to see any that mention people that have trucks. So there's life mode 6, cozy country living. I'm gonna write that down. So cozy country, but we're probably going to need to search more specifically, and like the highest income is usually listed first. So 6A green acres, I might take a look at that, and I might want to search, for that segment. I'll see what other truck bearing. So there's a semi-rural, so maybe I'm going to look at Middleburg. Then that's 4C, and I might take a look at these, and you'll probably have to spend more time browsing these to find ones that you think are appropriate. But that's how I would do that. And then I'd come to Business Analyst Online. When you first start, you'll need to create a project. I'm going to skip that because it takes a little while for it to create a project, which is really just like a file. So then I'm going to open up the one that I created for turn 5. I'm going to start out by creating a map from data. So that my map tab is selected. Create map from data is what I'm going to choose next. And you'll notice that there are some as a guided tour here. I recommend that you take advantage of those, but I'm going to close that out now because you can do that on your own. There's also under help some really good guided tours and documentation and videos on here too about how to use this resource. But so I'm going to go to maps, and I'm going to create a data from map. And I can either use a color-coded map to map one variable. If I wanted to map multiple variables, I use the Smart Map search. For this one, I'm just going to keep it simple and search for one tapestry type at a time. So I'm going to do a color-coded map. And these are all the variables that are possible. And we're going to just be working with tapestry. So you can either expand these groups and drill down to the ones that we've chosen, or you can just type in the keyword for the, maybe I've not done that right. I'm going to try just doing 4C, because that was, I think, the Middlebury. And it's broken down by either adult respondents or households. I'm just going to choose household. So I'm choosing the tapestry segmentation that identified as relevant, and the default is to give you the data by state, but that's not granular enough. So you can come over here and choose counties, and then it will retrieve the data by counties. And you'll notice that it's giving it to you as a percentage of a number of the population. You might want to look at this as a percentage. It will change it a little bit, so you'll have to make a determination about what's the best way to do this. You can, you don't have to just look at the map this way. You can mouse over and find out where there are these high concentrations. You can download the data so you can get a list of the counties with these high concentrations. If you want to change the style of the map, you can get fancy and do that as well. And then you can also use the tools over here to create a PDF of your map, and that way you can use it in your presentations. So I hope this quick video helps.